Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We are doing a test batch today of a beard balm. My youngest son, Mason, who is what to you? Who is
Tio.
Yeah, he is your Tio. He has a beard, and we are going to try a beard balm. And I'm going to share the recipe that I came up with you guys. So we're going to do it all together.
Hi.
So yes, and Ava is helping me. So what we need is 2 tablespoons of mango butter, and this is a sterile project, guys. Okay, so there's 1. Yep, that's all right. We have 2. Yep. I gotta move all this big mango butter out of the way.
The little one?
Oh, here. Let me get some more of this little mango butter out of here. A little bit more. Sorry, guys. A little bit more. There we go, baby girl. There's 2. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of mango butter. And we are going to use... Oop, I'm sorry I bumped you. And this bag has been sprayed. And I've got mango butter all over my fingers, so I'm not sure... I'm going to get, hold on, no, I got to get the mango butter off my fingers, baby, so I can open this. Let me get some paper towel to wipe my hands. Okay. I guess I should have opened my beeswax before we did this. Uh-oh. I'll bring, oh, there we go. I got it open. All right, 2 tablespoons of beeswax. There's 1.
What's that for?
That's going to help to keep it all waxy and nice. Do we get it all? Tap it on there. There we go.
Oh, it's on there.
That's okay. Push it over. There you go. I don't know why I have my scale out, but it's been alcoholed. Okay. There's the second one of the beeswax. Okay. And then we're going to use 5 teaspoons of avocado oil. I'm going to do this part, baby, because this is going to be
messy.
Yeah, it's going to be messy. Okay, so I have my avocado oil, and this is a ½ teaspoon, so I have to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, I'm going to drop the bottle. 5, 6, 7. Oops. 8, 9, 10. There we go. So we have to melt this on a double boiler. Get it all melty.
In the oven?
No, not in the oven. In the, or you could do it in the microwave, double boiler, microwave, whatever. And I will leave the recipe in the description box for you guys. And then when we're done, we're going to pour it into this little tin that Mason gave me, because like I said, this is just a test recipe. So we'll be back when it's all melted. Oh, you want to see how hot it is? Go ahead.
60-12.
Oh, no. Oh, 161.2. That's hot, right? Okay, so everything is melted and everything. And I brought a cupcake holder out too. Like I said, this is just a test. So that way, if the little tin that he gave me is too small, because it looks pretty small, and these have been alcoholed. There's like alcohol all in there. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this beard balm in there. Oh, look at that, perfect. Well, there's a little bit left in there. This bowl is hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. There we go. Okay. So, and I will be able to let you know how my son likes this beard balm. Once it's set up, I will show you what it looks like. So, we will be back.
Bye.
Guys, there it is, all set up. The little bit extra that I had in that cupcake holder, I already gave to my son, and he put it all in his beard. And he said he's going to let me know. He's going to use it for a week or so. And I will attach that, what he thinks, to the end of this video. So But Ava is dying to put her face in the camera, so I'm going to pull you guys back out because she's creating lots of shadow. All right.
Hi.
You're going to tell everybody, hope you had a great time.
I had a great time. Subscribe.
Okay, you guys have a great week. I'll attach his reaction to the
And then
end of this.
close it.
Yes, I'm going to close it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.